I think you're supposed to tap your face to get the product to sit into your pores more. I don't know, but this is feeling kind of relaxing for me right now.
Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, hi, I'm V and I do videos on hair and makeup reviews and tutorials. Remember to ring that bell and to like and subscribe, and also my Instagram is V_Vogue if you want to see updates on upcoming videos or any new things that are happening on my channel. So for you here today, I have a skincare review, which I'm very excited about because I really loved these products that I ended up trying. Alya Skin reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try their products, and because of all of the things that I found, you know, really good reviews, it's been talked about in all kinds of different places, I said, hell yeah, I want to give this skincare a try. Alya Skin is an Australian company that provides cruelty-free and vegan skincare products. So before I begin and show you guys my first impression of all their products, I will say this video is not sponsored. I am not paid to give my feedback. This is my honest first impression review because I don't want to lie to you guys. So let's go ahead and jump in and see what Alya Skin has to offer.
Okay, so welcome to the test and trial portion of this video. I have the products here with me. I've never used them before. This is gonna be first impressions, exactly what I think. So let's dive in. And the first product is the Foaming Micellar Cleanser. Infused with watermelon seed and essential rose oil. Probably mean it would smell nice. Ooh, oh, okay. So let's go ahead and try this out. I guess it's a foam. Ooh, we like that. Okay. I probably put too much because I was excited about the foam. Okay, so it has a very light smell to it. Maybe the smell reminds me a bit of like a macaroon because of the rose that it has in it. So I'm really liking the feeling that this has on my face. It feels very gentle. I do have some acne that I had around here, a little bit on my forehead. It's not irritating it at all, which is good. You know what? I really like this texture. I really like how this feels. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off. They also provided me with a little towelette here. Let's open this. Okay, so that's like a decent size actually for your face. It's bigger than what I anticipated. You know what, the cloth actually feels very soft on my face, and it's very light, so I think it's ideal for if you're going traveling, if you're staying over at someone's place overnight. Yeah, I really like this. I think this is gonna come in handy. When I touch my face, ooh, I feel really soft. It's not even an exfoliator or anything like that. And I tend to have very dry skin. Having my skin feel this soft, okay. Yeah, it feels nice. So the next product that I'm going to try is going to be the Vitamin C Supercharged Serum. Boost your skin with a blend of Kakadu plum, desert lime, finger lime caviar, and the lily pilly. Ooh, it has hyaluronic acid. We like this. That's exciting. For directions, it says apply 1 to 2 pumps for cleansed skin morning and night. So if I smell it, it has a very kind of like floral scent to it. Smells nice. The way that it feels, it has a slight stickiness to it, which is normal for a serum. Feels relatively lightweight. My skin already feels, ooh, wow, it feels so soft. It already feels super hydrated, which is weird. Again, because I have super dry skin and I haven't applied moisturizer yet. It's just the serum and it feels really soft and hydrated. We're liking that. So the next product that I'm going to try is the Australian Native Berries Moisturizer with macadamia oil to hydrate, restore, and replenish your skin. We'll see how this goes. Moisturizers tend to be very much a hit and miss with me. I really only found one that tends to really hydrate enough. We'll see how this works for the next few weeks and if it's actually sufficient. Fairly thick. It has a very slight scent to it. I can't tell what it is. Probably the oils that are in it, the macadamia oil. Let's give this a try. I really hope I don't have a skin reaction to these products because I have a date later today. That would be kind of bad if I end up having a skin rash all over my face. I have faith in a few moments. Let's see how I feel. All right, face feels really soft. Wow. Ooh, I'm down with this. Okay. It doesn't feel tacky in any way or that it's too heavy. I already feel my face feeling really hydrated just by putting it on. My skin feels very refreshed, very nourished, if that makes any sense. I'm really liking how this feels. There's still 2 more products that I haven't tried yet. So I think what I might do, I'm gonna stick with what I have on my face for now and then go about my day. And then tonight I'm going to try the exfoliator and the clay mask and I will see how that works. So I will be back shortly. Okay, so it's the next day. I think I really want to try the Australian Pink Clay Mask. Supposed to detoxify and brighten. So for instructions it says, apply a thick even layer to clean dry skin. Leave on for 10 minutes or until completely dry. Okay, cool. All right, so let's see if it smells like anything. Okay, so it smells fruity. It's not too strong. I think it smells pretty similarly to all the other products. So when I scoop it out, as you can see, it is fairly thick. I kind of want to put it all over my face, I think, and see how that goes. I feel so funny right now. I think I have it relatively well covered. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes, see how it feels. Hopefully I still don't have any kind of reaction or anything like that. And then I'm gonna wash it off and we'll see how my skin feels. All right, so I've washed it off of my face. I definitely feel like it has really brightened my skin. I have more of like an even complexion than what I had before. Okay, my skin also feels really soft. I do have some dry spots, so obviously those I'll need to exfoliate. So I'll be trying next the exfoliator and see how that goes. But otherwise, ooh, I really like this clay mask. Okay, I normally have like hyperpigmentation around my mouth and some dark spots here and in this area, but wow. Ooh. I would say that this one is a very good success. Okay, so there's one more product that I'm going to try and it's the Pomegranate Exfoliator Facial Scrub. Uses pomegranate seed powder to deeply exfoliate your skin. Yeah, so let's give this a try. So it says dampen skin, apply product to forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. Scrub gently in circular motions, wash away with warm water. All right, so let's go ahead and give this a try. I'm just going to dampen my face with some water. Just as a close-up, this is what my skin looks like before putting on the scrub. I have a little bit of a blemish over here happening, a little bit of dry patches here that you can't really see on camera, but I can definitely feel it. I'm hoping this is gonna exfoliate really well and help, you know, clear off the dry skin that I have happening on my face. Let me show you guys what this looks like. So when it actually comes out, you can't see quite well on camera, but it has a very slight pink tone to it. So let's try this out. So it said cheeks, forehead, nose, and chin. I like the smell of it. It smells very fresh. It smells like roses. Kind of fruity and floral at the same time. With some exfoliators, I find that whatever's supposed to physically exfoliate your skin just seems way too small and it's not actually gonna work enough. But this seems like a good texture. I'm gonna really scrub the areas that I know I have dry skin. So it's like here, definitely on my nose to get rid of anything that's clogging my pores. I think we are good now to rinse this off. I'm gonna take the cloth and I'm actually gonna wet this and that's how I'm gonna wash it off. Okay, so it is all washed off. And let me touch my skin. Ooh, okay. Oh yeah, okay. This feels really nice actually. All right, let me show you maybe a close-up of my skin. Definitely had some dry skin that was happening over here. That feels extremely smooth now. My nose feels a lot more polished, like it doesn't feel as bumpy. I guess it cleaned out a lot of my pores. Overall, where I know I tend to have more kind of like acne prone skin, it feels very well exfoliated. Wow, I just keep touching my face and I'm like, this feels so nice. I feel like my skin is a lot more brightened after using it. It feels less puffy, less dark circles, more even skin tone. My skin feels really good.
which makes me feel really good. This is a win. I really like this. So yeah, those are all the products that they have. The skin serum, I believe, is a new addition to their collection bundle. I think out of the 5 products that they sent me, my favorites definitely have to be the serum and the exfoliating scrub. These guys felt really good on my skin. They're also pretty affordable. I will put the direct link down below in the description box for you to go and check out for yourself. So I did use the skincare products for about 2 weeks total. It did really great things to my skin. My skin felt really soft. I will say though, the moisturizer didn't quite give me enough moisture, hydration for what my skin needs because I do have very dry skin. Otherwise, overall, I think that the products made my skin feel really good. As you saw, those were my true raw first impressions of using the products. Really nice to know that they are a cruelty-free company because I really care so much about animals. I think that's a really important factor when I'm buying beauty products and skincare products. Really great for that. Really cool that they're a company from Australia. They have a lot of really great feedback on their website and their Instagram if you want to check them out. Overall, I would say this was a very positive experience. I really enjoyed trying their product. I'd be really sad when I run out of them. They do have a lot of really great skincare bundles that feature different varieties of little packs you can get of each product. So make sure you give that a try to see if you want to give these a little test out for yourself. So would I try these products again? Yes, I think I would. Definitely the serum and the exfoliating scrub, those were really awesome. Definitely I would give that a thumbs up and a really good recommendation. Remember to like and subscribe. I will be posting more videos coming up soon now that I'm all moved in and I'm more settled into my new apartment and my new job. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye!